You can use CSS or custom CSS to make some light styling modifications to the elements that you'll find in the form. So to see what that looks like, we'll take this informational, and inside we have an H1 that's saying hello there. Maybe this is the first step of your form and you want to welcome the users as they arrive. But that's pretty plain, right? So let's spruce it up a little bit. Now you can definitely go into typography and change the colors of your H1 elements and the font family. But there's not really much more you can do in this menu. So in this case, we'd probably want to add our own styling. So we'll take this little snippet here, and this is going to target H1s in our form, and it's going to add a linear gradient, mostly. So let's take a look at what that looks like. And there we go. We have our hello there, and it's got the gradient going vertically, and that already looks a lot better. So you can use light CSS styling like that to make the elements in your form really pop out.